I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create Integration. Search and select Bid Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bid Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bid Assist logo. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bid Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Search and select Zagomail. Give here a public API key. Please visit Zagomail API token. Generate new keys. Save it. Copy the public API key and paste it on the integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose a list. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to the Zagomail site and navigate to the lists. Then click on the subscribers. Here you can see that the data came successfully to the Zagomail site. Thanks for watching.